Hi, this is Greg Geller, President and Account Manager at the Boatman Group, and I am going through the newly released Rytex program, which has gotten rave reviews already. And I'm not going to be able to go through everything about this incredible program. I'm going to give you enough that hopefully this helps you, and for those of you who have employees who would need to listen to this, to help them just get a better sense of what this program has to offer. So here is the first page inside the binder. It just gives you a quick summary of what is in there. This next one is a really great, the table of contents obviously is a great place to quickly go to. Each of these represents, hopefully you're looking at your book as you're looking at this. Those are the tabs. And so one of the big things we did is expand the hand bordered from the previous book. The embossed section is incredibly increased, and then we kind of cleaned it up as well. So the first section, this is all the ordering stuff, fonts, and of course, liners and monograms and ink colors. Please note that not all inks are available on the different types of printing. So foil, you can only see that there are 6 choices. This is for the raised ink orthography, so just be mindful of that. And then the hand-bordered section, for those of you who had Rytex before, you can see that this section is tremendously expanded. The big thing we've done is added embossed and foil to the cards. And then what I love about Rytex pricing is, I'm going to zoom in here, is you've got the first set, so whether you go plain envelopes or printed, so that's the cost of the first 25. And then each 25, as long as it's the same exact order, is, whatever it is, and in this case, it's $20. So I think that is a really cool thing about Rytex. Again, these are all the different hand-bordered colors. We've added some that have been really great sellers for us, and then obviously some, as you can see, like this, the purple and apple green, only come thermography. So not all colors have all, and same with here, the yellow and orange, have all the, like here the aqua, it has thermography, embossed, and foil. Just to go back quickly, the yellow and orange only has thermography. So just something to be mindful of. Great sets. Then this is our new wide hand bordered. Very popular if you just want a little extra color. It's great for that. And then after this is my favorite stuff, personally, is this double hand bordered or 2-color hand bordered. Gorgeous stuff. This is actually my personal stationery. And so that's, then we have the rounded edges. Again, you'll want to explore this on your own. I just don't have time to go through every single thing about it. Here's the classic stationery. Again, this is stuff that if it's did really well before, then we added it and then some. So here's a new thing, double thick, which we did not have before. So that is a great option for someone who just wants a little extra with their stationery. Some great kind of plays on either the design of the card, the paper itself, this beautiful embossed border. And then the liners. This liner is gorgeous. I would strongly suggest pushing that liner. We've got our great ensembles. These are our new mini notes that are so fun and perfect. This gray and craft paper are very fun with the white ink on them. And then our colored paper, which we've never had in Rytex before. Well, we did. We had a little bit in the old book. These are some great new colors. Medallion is a very fun, just to set yourself apart. And so this is classic, and then we get into some of these great ensembles. Someone who wants a little bit of everything, these are perfect for that. The check size and the bill payers, these are great. Obviously, these are check size with the address on the corner. There's the business size, and then the self-seal ones. And then we get to the embossed stationery section. Again, we expanded this because of some things in the marketplace that occurred, and people have been very happy about us being a go-to for embossed stationery. And then our fun pad section. One of the big things we added here is, of course, the cubes and these color papers. So take advantage of that. This is a great new option in Rytex that did not exist before. So you can choose your color of paper there. Obviously, this one, it only comes in these two legal kinds. Notepad sets. Here are the cubes. And then this design your own. These are all the motifs that you can get on all of this product. And then the party time accessories. Again, there was a shift in the marketplace with a company going out of business, and this has become a nice go-to for people. This is new. We've added our frosted colored party tumblers, and our stadium cups are awesome. And then this is our linen guest towel, which is a little more pricey, but it is so worth it. It's gorgeous, beautiful stuff. And then our colorful napkins as well. White is always a guaranteed beauty on those posters that look awesome for any event. And then the last part is people love Rytex. And then we've added some new luggage tags. The aluminum bag tags are new. We kept the good sellers. These are some great shipping labels. And then, of course, the regular labels that people love Rytex for. And the final thing is the stampers, which I think most of you know, but these do take longer. So be mindful to order them separately. They do take up to 10 days to ship. So we always suggest putting stampers on their own order, and you can ship them USPS first class. So I hope that is very helpful. If you have any questions, certainly give me a call on my direct line, which is in every newsletter, or email me if you've got any questions. Thanks so much for listening. Bye.